was there.
Thutha wa uthuthuria gutafanio uthuthuria wa mere thirikari ni Johansen Odwor ni uburite kiria giacungiriirie gikuo kia Edwin Chiloba uria watonganire na gikuo giake kiumia kihituku. Odwor augite uthuthuria wa postmortem wonanitie Chiloba akuire ni kwaga riera thutha wa gukindirwo thogithi kanua-ini gake na nguo maniuru undu uria watumire aremwo ni kuhihia.
The body was decomposed, meaning that it had taken some time before we did the autopsy. There was something tied on the mouth and nose, a piece of jeans trouser which was blocking the mouth and the nose. There were socks which are also been stuffed in the mouth and the nose. In the mouth, actually, socks were stuffed in the mouth. There are 3 pairs of socks which you saw inside the mouth. The body was cyanosed. Cyanosis means that this person was not getting enough oxygen into the body when he died.
Odwor oho ni ugite aria mamuragire maya gukorwo ni mamuheire ndawa cia gutuma eriguo naho ahithuria mwiri wake ndwari na nguraro o ciothe otiga kanua-ini na rurimi.
When I open up the body, the brain was swollen, and swelling of the brain is seen in people who have what is called asphyxia. When you lack oxygen which gets into your brain, it gets swollen. There are also injuries inside the mouth. We saw a lot of injuries inside the mouth and on the tongue. Other organs were normal other than being decomposed. So from all this, what we concluded that could have led to the death of the late Edwin Kipto was what we call asphyxia, which is caused by smothering. Smothering is a blockage of the nose and of the mouth so that we cannot breathe. We are asking ourselves, was he drugged? Was he given a lot of alcohol so that now he could not resist? So based on that, there are samples we've taken also for analysis, which will be taken to government analysts to see whether there's any chemical or any drugs which are in the body which could have caused him not resist when he was being smothered.
Ona kuhana uguo Odwor ni areganite na riboti iria ikoretwo ikiuga Chiloba ni akuritwo maitho akiuga Chiloba ndakuritwo maitho mbere ya oragitwo no maitho make macokete na thiini kuona mwiri wake ni waikarite kwa ihinda thutha wa kuragwo.
When we had a look at the body, there were changes in the eye which were caused by decomposition. So they were intact though they were decomposing. So they were appearing as if they had been moved, but there were just changes which were caused by decomposition.
Mwiri wa Chiloba wonekanire utetwo uri ithanduku-ini ria mabati mwena wa Kapseret Eldoret kiumia kihituku kuria ekuirwo atano wa njuragano ino makinyirio igoti-ini ria Eldoret mwambiriri-ini wa kiumia giki. Giribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shige.
So based on that, there are samples